Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, we are going to learn mobile friendly responsive website design and mobile optimization. So, if you have started making your website with Duda, or if you have started learning Duda website builder, then you can continue this video. Here you are going to learn everything very easily, very quickly, without any coding or any previous experience. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your Duda account. Then you have to open your website. You have to click on your website image or title. Then the editor mode will be open. So you can see that my Duda editor mode has been open, and I can change, edit anything as our requirement. And here is the nice website for cosmetics design product, and we are going to make our website responsive and mobile friendly. We have to look in here. Okay, to make our website responsive and mobile friendly, we have to select the device, and you can see that right now we are watching this website from the desktop device. Looks here, and then we want to make it for tablet device, so we have to select tablet. Then we can see that our website looks in the tablet mode. So first of all, we wanted to change the title of this slider. So to do this, just click on here, then change the font size in here. Okay, looks perfect. And if I go to the desktop mode again, okay, we can increase the size of this font a little bit more. Okay, then we have to change the font size in here. Perfect. In the same way, we can hide this icon in desktop. Let me show you. Hide on small device and tablet. Perfect. But it will be visible in desktop. Looks, you can see the difference. Perfect. Okay, then here is the video. We can change the space or remove the space of this section. Just make the space 50 pixel. Perfect. Okay, in the same way, change this section space 50 pixel. Looks good. We can also change the spacing of this section 50 pixel. Perfect. Okay, also you can change the spacing in here 50 pixel, and the same way 0 pixel, 25 pixel. Looks good. And we can change the spacing of this section 50 pixel. Now it's perfect. Okay, in the same way, we have to change all other section spacing or anything as our requirement. For example, we want to make it little bit more professional. Just remove the component. Okay, so I hope you understand how we can make our website tablet friendly or responsive for tablet device. Now go to the mobile device, and you can see that looks of mobile device. So first we wanted to hide this text on mobile. Select hide on mobile. Then we want to hide this row also. Hide on mobile. Perfect. We can change the font size. looks good. Okay, hide it on mobile also. You can see that where is hide, it's highlighted in here very clearly so that anyone can understand this element is hide on small device or mobile device. Okay, so this is the same things that we have done in previous, just we have to find out and select as our requirement. We want to remove, change or update like spacing, font size, icon size, color or anything, or hide in mobile but show in desktop. So everything is so easy. You have to just play around of your Duda website builder, then you can understand everything. And when you have changes, just click on the publish, then your website will be published. So I hope you understand everything very easily, very quickly, and you can do it by yourself. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant to Duda website builder or Duda SEO or digital marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.